When operating a truck, the cost of fuel is one of the largest expenses incurred. Fuel costs typically account for 25% of total cost of operation. Although you can't control fuel prices, you can influence how often you fill up by optimizing your fuel consumption. One of the best ways to improve your engine's fuel efficiency is proper preventive maintenance. Fuel injectors are one of the most complex components in a diesel engine and vitally important to maintaining fuel economy. Our diesel injectors fire every other engine revolution. So for example, in an engine operating at 1500 RPM, each injector will fire 750 times per minute. At that rate, in a typical year of operation, an injector might fire more than 2 million times. The D13 injector also has an injection pressure over 35,000 psi, which is greater pressure than is generated in a cannon explosion. This immense pressure is needed to ensure correct atomization and fuel delivery for both performance and emission demands. Over time, the constant movement and intense pressure inside the cylinder causes these critical elements to wear. Worn injectors can reduce your vehicle's fuel economy an average of 3%. And because all 6 of an engine's fuel injectors operate on the same cycle, when one fails, the other 5 aren't far behind. Replacing all 6 injectors at the same time allows your engine to meter the right amount of fuel to deliver a complete combustion, reducing emissions and noxious smoke. The increased fuel economy that 6 new injectors deliver can also be substantial in terms of fuel costs, saving you thousands of dollars each year. And by changing all of them in a single service visit, you'll eliminate unnecessary labor cost, downtime, and the lost productivity of changing one injector at a time. To ensure optimal fuel system performance, a high-quality fuel filter is also critical. In a typical highway application, a fuel filter may filter up to 5,800 gallons of fuel within one service interval. Volvo Genuine fuel filters provide uncompromising performance and protection for your engine. Volvo Genuine fuel filters use special fine-pored filter media that's reinforced with synthetic fibers to withstand extremely high pressure and remove harmful contaminants before they affect the performance of your fuel pump and injectors. Our advanced media can filter out particles 20 times smaller than a grain of table salt. Our advanced water separator technology removes moisture from the fuel, protecting against rust and corrosion in the injection system. The high-quality rubber seals are not affected by fuel or oil and remain elastic under varying temperature to ensure proper sealing and guard against fuel leaks. And the filter body is manufactured from strong 22-gauge steel to withstand pressure fluctuations up to 145 psi and provide unsurpassed structural integrity. Genuine parts for premium trucks. For maximum uptime and a lower cost of ownership, choose the quality only Volvo Genuine parts can provide.